Hello, welcome to a new...
I'm always on my phone every time you pull out the video.
You're on your phone a lot.
No, I'm texting Alex that we're on our way.
So our mom left this morning, so you guys saw our adventures with her, and today is Alex's birthday. I'm not sure if we said that in the other video. So we're off to meet her for dinner. We're super excited. We're gonna have some Mexican food, some
We're not going to our usual Mexican
No, we're going to a different place. A place that I've actually never been, but it's one of Alex's favorite places. It's called, what's it called?
Rosa Mexicana.
Rosa Mexicana. So we'll let you know how it is.
This is a headband Ashley made me buy at Anthology.
Look at these clips I just got.
So cute.
Amazon. I will link them in our Amazon shop below. And I'm also loving this little
super cute
bandana tie. Anyways, okay, we're off for Mark's. I just polished off this bag of Doritos. It's the same bag from, I don't know, whenever that was, a couple weeks ago, when we got some junk food, and it's just been sitting in the cabinet taunting me, and I just finished it. So let's see, let's catch up. Today was just a massive work catch-up day because our mom's been in town, and we were just like really busy. We didn't get to a lot of work, and since I was sick before she got here, I didn't get to like prepare and like get a lot done in advance like I would have ideally liked to. So today was massive, sit in front of the laptop all day and catch up day. It's now evening. Shelby headed off to spin. Alex is at a workout class, and I'm here. I am gonna try to clean up a little bit. There's a little bit of a mess here. We had our super here for like an hour and a half. It took him a while, oops, to do a few things for us. We needed like our drains declogged. Glamorous, I know. And we kind of broke the shower door. Not really sure what happened, but I think you guys have seen, we have these like sliding glass doors in our bathroom for our shower, and Shelby was cleaning the bathroom before our mom got in town, and it kind of broke. I'm not really sure what happened or what she was doing. Then I went to attempt to try to fix it and broke it further, and we couldn't really open or shut it. So taking showers has been interesting lately. Anyways, it is fixed. Drains are declogged, but our super did some tools to fix the shower door, which ended up being a lot bigger of a deal than I thought. So everything's just kind of kerfluffled. Shelby was taking some photos for a blog post on this Branch Basics cleaner today, so that's all over the place. So I just need to do that. The dishwasher needs to be emptied. Nothing super exciting. By the way, I just have to say, this stuff works so well. I think Shelby talked about it here on the video. You guys can check out the blog post, but literally as our super was here, Poppy did something on my bed, and there was a stain, and I ran out here to grab this cleaner, and all I did is it was like a gross brown like poopy stain. Like she released a little anal gland situation. Sorry to out you on YouTube, but you did. So all I did was I should have filmed it, but I saturated the stain with a little bit of this all-purpose cleaner, and then I sprinkled on a little bit of this oxygen boost, and then you just like let it soak in and like agitate, that's the word I was looking for. Agitate it, let it sit for like 5 minutes. I sprayed a little bit more of this on top of it and like wiped it off. Completely gone. You would never know that there was anything there. And the not only does it remove the stains, but also the odor, which is honestly more offensive to me than the stain. So anyways, it really, really does work. Okay, that's enough of a little ad for Branch Basics. We're not sponsored by them. We fully paid for all of those products, but if you do want to try them, we have an affiliate link, so we'll link that down below if you want to give them a try. Hi, what's happening? Hi. Yeah, you're not tall enough to seat a chair. Do you want to help me empty the dishwasher and put all of the stuff away? What do you think? Should we turn some music on? What do you want to listen to? Maybe Maggie Rogers. Alexa, play Maggie Rogers.
Maggie Rogers from Apple Music.
I love this album. This is my cleaning treat. This is pretty good rosé. It is from France. It is from Provence. My sommelier brother says that the best rosés are from Provence. Little insider pro tip for you. If you're selecting a rosé, look for one from Provence in France. Hello everyone. Sorry I didn't talk to you yesterday. I kind of forgot that we were filming and I didn't do anything of any sort of substance, so there's that. But it is now Wednesday. No, it's not. It's Thursday. I'm telling you, I'm losing my mind. It's Thursday, end of day now. It has just been one of those days. I had a lot of work to do. Ashley had a lot of work to do. We've just been in work mode, and I've been kind of in a funk like all afternoon. I got like really tired and I feel like a little weak, but I've eaten like the same amount that I usually do. I even had an extra coffee that did absolutely nothing. But I really want to go to the gym, but I am far too exhausted to do any sort of cardio. I don't have spin tonight because for some reason on Thursday nights the class is at 7. Like it starts at 7, which means I wouldn't even get back here until after 8, and that's just too late. So I don't do it on Thursday nights. Sometimes I do Thursday mornings, but the instructor that I like has been on vacation for like 3 weeks. She went over to Israel, and so she hasn't been here, although I think this might have been her first day back. I'll go to her next week. No, I won't. I'll be in Dallas. Oh, see, I'm a mess. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do some like strength training stuff on all of the like weighted machines. Ash is gonna come too. I'm just waiting on her to finish up. But that's about all we're doing. I'm just kind of waiting on her. I just had some almonds to see if that works. I'm also going to treat myself to some sweet green for like getting out and going to the gym. I just put it on our Insta story, but I've had it for years, like 3 or 4 years now. It's called a prana mat, and there's like a pillow and there's like this mat, and it's basically all of these like plastic spiky lotus flower things like all over it. Let me just pull it out to show you. And it helps with like tension. Let me turn the air off so you can hear me.
It helps with like tension and relieves like stress and kind of like rejuvenates you. It is this thingy. And so I just laid on this to see if it would help, and I think it did a little bit. It is like, it's never really like hurt me, but it is like spiky. But I do love this, and I lay on it all the time. You know, you can just like lay on it for like 10-15 minutes and you'll be good to go. Here's the pillow as well. It's very spiky, but it feels, I like it. What? It's comfy to me. I have a very, very high pain tolerance, so it really doesn't bother me. I think Alex tried to lay on it once when I first got it. She like couldn't even like get all the way on it, but I actually very much enjoy it. Some people sleep on them. I don't think I would do that, but so that helped a little bit. Now I'm just waiting on this one. I just want to like get out and move a little bit. Yeah. Because I've been sitting here all day. Yeah. I told you guys, it's just been one of those days. And we looked over like an hour ago when it was raining. Like we've been having, no, I think it stopped. We've been having these like weird rainstorms where, yeah, rainstorms out of nowhere. I don't think it was. We're not gonna let that stop us. We're still gonna go, okay? Ashley. Because I want sweet green. That's honestly my main motivator right now. I really want sweet green. Okay, we just got back. Workout is done. Hi, baby. Poppy Monroe is here. Are you hungry? Wanna eat your dinner? You can eat your dinner. That's a lovely angle of me. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. My goodness, hello, beautiful. Hello. All right, workout was good. I did a bunch of strength training for like 45 minutes and I got my salad. I'm so pumped. Ashley said she wants to shower first. So I'm gonna eat first because she said she's not starving, but I'm actually really hungry. So I'm gonna eat this and then shower and then veg out on the couch. How was your workout? Good. Come here. She did the elliptical. Oh, bye. Hey, can I throw your ball? And Elsie did some cardio. Do you need to do cardio?
Yeah, you do. Oh, she's going into your bed.
Bye.
Yay. I'm gonna shower. Happy Friday. We made it. Yay. We're supposed to get some pretty bad weather today. I think it's gonna be super rainy. So of course that means I have a headache. My headaches are usually triggered by like changes in the weather. So I started to get it last night before I went to sleep, and I woke up and it's still here and a little bit worse. So I just slathered peppermint oil on my forehead and down the back of my neck to help kind of like ease the pain and the tension. But then I'm also gonna put some oil in the diffuser because I'm gonna sit right here as I start to work so I can kind of help to breathe it in. Sorry, I haven't had anything to drink yet this morning. I think what I'm gonna use today is Deep Breath, which is a sage oil. It has lots of peppermint and eucalyptus in it. We also sell oils at the Sister Market, which I have right here, which are really great as well. This one is a sleep one, which I'm not going to use because I don't want to go to sleep. I have a focus one, which I do a lot in the morning. And then we have a, oh, that's another sleep. Hello. And we have an awake one, which is also great. But
It sounds like a awake situation.
I'm going to do Deep Breath because I have a really bad headache.
That's
Sorry.
the one I diffuse at night.
Well, it is relaxing, but I need to do it now because I'm slathered in peppermint oil and I need to, it's the weather.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this in. that going. Now I'm going to fill up my water glass and I'm gonna guzzle a bunch of water, hoping that helps. Also gonna make some coffee. Might light the candles because I think it's gonna be pretty dark and dreary today, just to kind of help create a little bit of a cozy ambiance. That sounds nice.
It's Sephora all day.
Sephora all day. Yeah, it's Sephora for Rouge, which we both are. It's 20% off. Beauty and Center, my guess is it's 15. I don't know, we didn't get that email.
I don't know, but now I have to decide. There's like 17 things in my cart.
Shelby has a problem.
I'm obviously not getting 17 things. I put like multiples of things. There's like 5 moisturizers and I'm trying to decide like which one to get kind of situation, and then figure out what to get. I don't know.
Okay, bye. So what I'm lighting are unscented tea lights. I don't light fragranced candles when I have a headache because that's just going to contribute to my pain. So we have several of these around our apartment, as you guys have probably seen. Oh, sorry, I was cutting off my head. So I'm just lighting all these little clusters, and then I'm gonna make coffee and get to work. Update, it's pouring rain, head's still pounding. Hair is a mess, it's Friday. Shelbs is back there watching our old What We Eat in a Day videos for some reason. And I'm about to have a little lunch snack of chips and salsa. There's a break in the rain for a second, so I'm running out to get coffee because I am dying. My head is pounding. Got my cold brew, splash of almond milk. I always leave the straw behind if they haven't like put it in the drink already, because I have reusable straws at home I'm gonna use instead. Hashtag save the turtles. But also I am fully aware that this is a plastic cup that I took away. But baby steps. We both felt so bad yesterday, we forgot to film the rest of the day. But good news is today's Saturday and I woke up and I don't have a headache anymore. Yay. And that is a good thing because I have a very long to-do list today and I have to be productive. So thank goodness for that. So we're gonna end this vlog here, but stay tuned to our next upcoming vlog to see what I'm doing today. Yes, that's my mattress in the hall. New York City living. Gotta love it.